The difference between men's and women's fashion for each body shape. Gender differences have long been reflected in fashion, with men's and women's clothing often designed to emphasize different aspects of the body. However, the way that clothing is designed for men and women also varies depending on body type and shape. In this essay, we will explore the ways that men's and women's clothing are designed to fit different body types and shapes. For women, clothing is often designed to emphasize curves and create an hourglass shape. Dresses and skirts are often fitted at the waist and flare out at the hips, creating a feminine silhouette. Tops and blouses are often designed to accentuate the bust and waist, with details such as ruching, pleats, and draping used to create a flattering shape. When it comes to body type, women's clothing is often designed for a range of shapes, from pear-shaped to hourglass to apple-shaped. For pear-shaped women, clothing is often designed to emphasize the waist and hips, with A-line skirts and dresses that flare out from the waist. Hourglass-shaped women often look best in clothing that emphasizes the waist, such as fitted dresses and tops. Apple-shaped women, on the other hand, may prefer clothing that skims over the midsection and emphasizes the legs or arms. For men, clothing is often designed to create a more streamlined silhouette, emphasizing the shoulders and creating a V shape. Jackets and suits are often tailored to create a fitted look, with shoulder pads and structured designs used to create a masculine shape. Trousers are often designed to fit snugly at the waist and hips, then taper down towards the ankles, creating a streamlined look. When it comes to body type, men's clothing is often designed for a range of shapes, from athletic to stocky to slender. Athletic men may prefer clothing that emphasizes their broad shoulders and muscular physique, such as fitted jackets and shirts. Stocky men may prefer clothing that creates a more balanced look, such as jackets with structured shoulders and trousers that fit at the waist and taper towards the ankles. Slender men may prefer clothing that creates the illusion of more bulk, such as jackets with padding in the shoulders and trousers with a wider leg. While there are certainly differences in the way that men's and women's clothing is designed, it is important to note that these differences are not set in stone. Many designers are now creating gender-neutral clothing that can be worn by people of any gender and body type. This new approach to fashion reflects a growing awareness of the diversity of body types and shapes, and a desire to create clothing that is both stylish and inclusive. Another important aspect of the differences between men's and women's fashion is the way that clothing is designed to fit different lifestyles and activities. Men's clothing is often designed to be more functional and utilitarian, with a focus on durability and comfort. For example, men's suits are often made with sturdy materials such as wool or tweed, and are designed to withstand frequent wear and tear. In contrast, women's clothing is often designed with more emphasis on fashion and style, with a focus on creating a statement or making a bold impression. This can be seen in the way that women's clothing often incorporates more intricate details and embellishments, such as sequins, lace, or embroidery. When it comes to casual wear, men's clothing is often designed to be comfortable and easy to wear, with a focus on functionality and practicality. This can be seen in the popularity of men's jeans, t-shirts, and hoodies, which are often designed to be versatile and easy to wear in a variety of settings. Women's casual wear, on the other hand, is often designed to be more expressive and fashionable, with a focus on creating a unique and individualized look. This can be seen in the popularity of women's dresses, which can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion, and in the way that women's jeans and leggings often incorporate unique prints and patterns. In terms of accessories, men's fashion tends to be more understated, with a focus on simplicity and functionality.